It's a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. You're no stranger to checking things off the list, nor is this Grand Caravan. Safety? It's filled with safety, security, and technology features to keep everyone protected. Versatility? With the STO and GO third row seats, you have plenty of room for whatever cargo, passengers, or combination of both that your list demands. Comfort and convenience? The climate control, heated mirrors, and multifunction steering wheel contribute to a very happy experience behind the wheel. Raising the bar for what just right really means. Treat yourself and your family to this Grand Caravan.
Welcome to Napleton Acura in Elmhurst, a Chicago area new and used Acura dealership. We're located at 745 West Lake Street in Elmhurst, Illinois.